very exciting mission this morning. We're heading to the post office to post the client's USB.
Right, now it's time for emails. So I'm a big fan of Inbox Zero, so I always like just having nothing in my inbox. So that means every time an email comes in, I either snooze it to another time or I'll reply right there and then. So I'm dealing with every email straight away basically. So every Sunday, any email that comes in, I'm just snoozing it to Monday. And that means that Monday mornings I have to come in and deal with a shed load of emails. Honestly, some of the spam inquiries I get are ridiculous. I get so many every day. I could stop it by putting one of those little capture things on the inquiry form on my website, but I just don't really look very nice. I don't have a very nice experience for someone wanting to get in touch, so at the moment I'm just dealing with the spam myself. Right, email's done. I'm now going to do a post on Instagram, which I try and do every other day, and then I'm going to move on to editing together a little film for Christmas.
Ready? Thanks for agreeing to Domino's. I promise it will be better than Waitrose own pizza.
Nah, I've been disappointed recently, where it's just like, well, soggy.
What, Waitrose own pizza?
When you cook your own, yeah.
That's because you're too impatient and you get it out too early.
It might also be that. But I also choose like the wet cheese pizzas, like ricotta.
Just 24th in offense in the NBA. Robertson is a raw talent. He's a 7-footer.
So back in the first lockdown, we watched The Last Dance on Netflix and really enjoyed it. And now we're just big basketball fans. We find ourselves watching basketball 3 times a week. The problem is they always play late at night for us, like 3 in the morning, so we always have to catch up the next day.
13-point lead. I think it's in the bag, Jess.
And the Clippers now lead